And this is the example.
Biar tung sahur.
Tung sahur.
Iya.
If you want to create this, it's first time you start by creating the character using AI generator such as Midjourney, Dolly, use description from some like a serial cartoon style, anthropomorphic like this, and this will give you the visual best for your video or your image when you generate, and then use the viral video and viral sound from platform like TikTok or YouTube or Instagram, or you can use your voice and AI voice. Next, you should combine your AI generation image, edit audio in video generator, like CapCut, Premiere, Adobe Premiere, or something like that. And for final touch, use exponent or iconic caption to match the tone of the meme, display the humor, and make it shareable. And then publish the video in internet to boost your algorithm. Use some popular hashtag like Italian brain rot, tung sahur, etc. But you must consistent upload this content and make profit, of course. Okay. Next, for my friend Shahidu.
Shahidu, come on, bro.
Yes, thank you. And how to make a new website for fun? For example, we'll make web to confess. Begin by clearly identifying the goal of the project. In this case, an intertitle single page website designed to humorously and sweetly convey feelings to someone. And next, you should make a prompt, for example, like this. Create a simple HTML web page to convey feelings to a crush. If the user clicks yes, display a random romantic or funny message. If the user tries to click no, make the button move away from the mouse. And after that, the HTML file will embed CSS and JavaScript fully functional and ready to test. And then copy full code into a new file called index HTML, open in web browser and check the website. So after everything is worked, now you can send the link to your crush or sell to make profit. And this is how to make an AI or realistic image or video. So start by deciding what kind of visual you want to create, static image or short video or an animation in anime or semi-realistic style. Also choose the mood, like example a romantic, funny or cinematic. This sets the creative direction. So either upload a photo of yourself or describe your appearance in detail, including hairstyle, clothing, and expression. This helps the AI generate a result that resembles you. Select the character or idol you want to appear with, mention their name, origin, like anime, K-pop, etc. And the scene you imagine, like sitting in a park or eating together, and combine your description and the characters details into one prompt. Use tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate the image or video. Clear prompt gives better results. Use CapCut, Photoshop or similar apps to enhance the result. Add effects, text or music if needed. And then export your creation and share it on social media or send it to someone special.
And then, udah miss. Okay. No. So,
Thank you, everyone.
no. So, no.
Ada example? Gua nggak ada example.
And then I don't want to mention about the positive impacts from the AI. Instead of I also want to mention about the negative impacts for the AI using. For one example, like this is like the shortcut people when they want to choose or select the best answer from the shortcut. So this is like the scam. This still exists in a lot of us. For example, like when you will graduate from your first bachelor, sometimes only particular people who can using it if they are in urgent conditions. So it will be disadvantageous for them because when actually they cannot rule all of the materials also. And the second reason and the second impact is they always indulge themselves and rely on the application. While sometimes the application also has a limits from the using. I also perceive this is like the cheating, like the cheating which is prevalent by the actual rules from the education and etc. And also perhaps this. So if you want to using the AI, please be a smart because we are human being. It means like the God has provided us the many of ideas. Why we always rely on the computer, which means the computer will be broken suddenly because I am sure we're impeccable because we're human beings created by the God. And also perceive this is like the big tricks for the big company. For example,